If you're looking for eco-friendly plates for your outdoor barbecue, then you've come to the right place. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here with some plates that I want to show you. They are by Kijani, and what I have here is actually is a square plate as well as their round plate. Now I got them in their biggest sizes. I believe these are both 10-inch. I think that you get an equal amount of value here, kind of similar surface area, but they are just a little bit different, and these might be a little more space efficient if you are all sitting at a table together. But what I found interesting about these plates is that, one, they look kind of cool, a little something different, but they are also very environmentally friendly. No trees cut down, despite the fact that this looks like wood here. And so how do they do that? Well, these are all made with fallen palm leaves. So the only thing that's harvested is stuff that's fallen on the ground, but I thought I would just show you what these suckers look like. Now, they are a little more expensive than your regular disposable plates, but especially for your casual outdoor barbecue, it can be a lot nicer to have plates that you can dispose of and maybe even just throw it in your compost pile. I will tell you what, they do look like palm leaves. I mean, that grain on there looks just like a palm leaf. I mean, I'm assuming they just lay them down and press them like paper. They do have some good structure, but they are really, really light. They almost kind of remind me of styrofoam. But I love that they have this curved edge here. This goes up almost an inch maybe, and then even a little flat lip right there, because plates, especially disposable ones, tend to be pretty flimsy. Those little paper plates with that little ribbon edge, those things, unless you're eating right off a table, are so flimsy they will just flop off and the food will flop off. That's why I've always liked those Chinette plates that are really thick, because you can actually hold them, have your burger, have your potato salad without them crumbling. And these seem to be kind of like those Chinette plates. I would say that they probably have about the same amount of strength. I can absolutely break this, and I'm guessing that if I break it along the grain there, it's going to be a little easier. We're getting there. It's breaking. It's actually pretty strong though. Just wanted to show you there what that's like, but as you can see, I mean, it kind of feels like balsa wood. Obviously they can break when you have a really, really strong person like me. And here are the round ones, and again, kind of that flat lip right there, but again, seem pretty sturdy, and I wouldn't have any issues eating off this. The top side here, which is kind of the lighter color of the leaf or whatever they use, kind of reminds me of a corn husk. That's kind of what it looks like to me. Very grainy. So, because of how they're made, they're probably going to be a little inconsistent in terms of the shape and kind of the grooves and maybe even a little warpage around the edges, but that kind of just makes them a little quirky and fun. So if you're looking for something that's a little different to serve your food on this summer and you want to be a friend to the environment, you might want to try out these. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever, thanks to Peter Von Panda. Peter Von Panda.
If you're looking for eco-friendly